In this video, we are going to be discussing the surface, deep and dark web. So, jumping into the content, here when you are talking about the deep web, you will be often see the depiction of an iceberg, and we will be using that for this example. So, when you are looking at this iceberg, you will see that top that is actually above the sea level, and that will represent the surface web, which is on the surface of the internet is basically everything you use every day like Google, YouTube, Reddit and etc. Anything can access right through a link would be considering on the surface web. Below that, deep web is part of the internet that contains the thing that are private like your private emails and your Dropbox and Facebook messages, anything that has security or need a certain authentication to access would be considered part of the deep web because not everything is publicly. And the bottom bottom part down here would be considered the dark web. In this dark web, things that are purposely hidden, these could be things like marketplace, store sites, hidden services, anything that's hidden or purpose. And not just hidden because their security in a way. This requires tools, this requires special tools to access. So before that we have to know what are all the tools we need to access. For the normal surface web, we need computer and web browsers like Google Chrome or Firefox. For the deep web, same tools for we needed computer, Google Chrome and Firefox. But when we get the dark web, little bit different. Of course, you still need a computer to access it, but instead of a normal web browser, you need something called Tor web browser. And top of that, if you want to actually purchase anything on dark web, you will need to know how to use bitcoins, and you must familiar with the Tails operating system. These tools needed to access the dark web. In size comparison, deep web actually takes up 98% of the entire internet. Surface web coming in just under 2% and dark web has 0.03%. Surface web can also be called as clear net or just regular web, and this is called some example of surface web. Deep web can also be called as darknet and Tor network of the hidden web or invisible web. This is some example of deep web. So however, the dark web can also be called as Tor hidden services. And these are the some example of dark web, but this is the illegal one. And this is the comparison table of surface, deep and dark web. So that's kind of brief overview of the difference between of three. And hopefully this video gave you better understanding of each one. And thank you for watching.